Okay, I guess now it's on. Anyway, as I promised before, I finished the Fox to fix the switch connector or the connector pin, 15 pin, put it together. So let me show you everything work, and I had some switch announced audio events, it's called switch change audio events, and let me show you. All right, here we go. So here's the glider in his grace. So everything work. Let me show you. So I have the radio here with me. So let's do this. Let's put, hold on please. I'm trying to show you when I put, okay, so let's do it this way. I will try to do it with one hand. Okay, so take a look. All right, so now let's put the flaps down so you could see.
Half flaps, full flaps, half flaps, flaps up.
Flaps up, you could see. Now I have also the switch.
Toe release.
Toe release.
Toe on.
Toe on. Now aileron working, as you can see. Elevator is working, and rudder is working. Now the best part, you could see.
Motor half on. Motor off. Throttle on.
Now you could see that I have
Thermal. Camber.
camber.
Thermal. Reflex.
See,
Launch. Reflex. Land.
everything works.
Reflex.
That's the digital servos are going bananas. You can see, it's okay.
Spoilers full on. Spoilers half on. Spoilers off. Spoilers full on.
So let me
Spoilers
show you
off.
from here. Here we go.
Spoilers full on. Spoilers half on. Spoilers off.
So you can see everything is working because you see and the flaps. Once again, let's see. Let's do it from this angle.
Spoilers full on.
See?
Half the full flaps. Half flaps. Spoilers off. Spoilers off. Thermal. Camber.
See camber?
Thermal. Reflex. Flaps up. Thermal. Camber. Thermal. Reflex. Land. Reflex. Launch. Reflex. Throttle cut. Throttle on. Motor half on. Motor off. Spoilers half on. Spoilers off. Spoilers full on. Spoilers off.
Okay, guys, let me disconnect everything.